Good morning everyone. This video is about CNG, compressed natural gas, and liquefied petroleum gas, LPG. So gaseous fuel has CNG, LPG materials. It is a combustible substances which contains, everyone knows that, hydrocarbon material. It produces the heat energy. It is a lighter one as compared with liquid and solid fuels, and it is mainly a inflammable material. So gaseous fuels has these properties. Examples for gaseous fuel are natural gas, LPG, CNG, etc. CNG, acronym is compressed natural gas. A fuel composed of methane and other hydrocarbons stored in cylinders at 200 to 300 bar of pressure, that is called compressed format of natural gases. It is used as a vehicle fuels. It made from compressing the natural gas to less than 1% of the standard atmospheric volume. So how it is producing? Production of compressed natural gases. First it is getting extract from the ground, from a natural source, natural gas, extracts from underground wells. That's the source of initial to make it as the final stage of CNG. Then raw gas treatment. The raw gases that are obtained from the wells, treated to remove the impurities such as hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide, water vapors, etc. So then separation is happening, is being done. CH4 is separated from other hydrocarbon material such as propane, butane, etc. and impurities to achieve the purity level. So we want to get with the maximum purity level. After that it is getting compressed. Purified methane fed into high pressure compressors and raising the pressure up to 3600 psi. It has some desirable value. So after that it is getting storage and dispensing at very high pressure cylinders. These are all the production of CNG, the working production mechanism of CNG. The simplified picture that denotes the production of CNG mechanism, working mechanism. First impure gas is fed into that, then it will be separate the impurities and all, and water vapors especially through the condensed one, that is called separator here. And finally desulfurization. After that it is passed to the next chamber, which in turn a desulfurization happens. If it is desulfurization means removal of sulfur poisonous one, and it is getting purified material. Finally it is compressed at particular pressure. Here it denotes 250 bar. And it is stored in the storage tanks, and finally it is applicable in the set device applications such as vehicles one. These are some of the properties. It has 90% of methane and about 10% of nitrogen, CO2, helium H2S, etc. Gaseous state, and it is lighter than air, is very well known, odorless, colorless, etc. It has a low flammable range and a high ignition temperature. And calorific value is also high. So because of these properties, there is some good advantages of CNG. a green fuel material which is very safe. High auto ignition temperature up to 540 degrees centigrade, chances of very less accident, so that okay. And low operation cost, dual facility, it's run both, it's petrol as well as CNG. Increased lubricant oil lifetime in vehicles, it won't disturb the vehicles actually. The engine working mechanism, it will be a very good supports to those, and it is economically friendly in nature. So thank you so much for listening.